Welcome back to my Maker's Notes for this one-of-a-kind AC/DC logo guitar, custom built, finished in red, and signed by the complete classic lineup, backed by dual letters of authenticity from both PSA DNA and Beckett Authentication. 5 rock legends, 1 custom guitar, and 2 words from Malcolm Young that changed everything. Here's how my Highway to Hell anniversary build ended up signed by AC/DC, and why I walked out feeling like the luckiest person on earth. Previously, I shared with you how my friend Dana got us backstage without tickets. Fast forward to the meet and greet. I'm clutching the guitar, hoping maybe someone will sign it. Phil walks up first and signs right on the C in DC. I'm trying to play it cool, heart pounding. Then Cliff adds his name to the D in DC. 2 signatures in and my dream is coming true. Next, Angus. He goes straight for the A in AC. He gives me this classic 2 thumbs up, straps on the guitar, and rips a couple of riffs. Then he says the line every builder dreams of. The neck action is smooth. I'm beside myself. Angus next to me in full signature swagger, and I'm thinking, this is a life moment. Remember everything. Last to sign that night, Malcolm. He finishes the set by signing the C in AC, and then he straps on the guitar for a photo op. I tell him how much their music means to me, how honored I am to be there after 2 decades since that class project, and why I built the Highway to Hell 25th anniversary guitar. Then I pitched him my next dream, a rock and roll themed Harley-Davidson build, honoring Bon Scott and the transition to Brian Johnson. It would celebrate 2 iconic albums, Highway to Hell and Back in Black, 1 on each side. I say she will be a looker. Malcolm looks at me and just says, build it. What an inspiration. Finally, I ask him, how can I get Brian to sign the guitar? Malcolm waves his tour manager over and says, get Jeff a backstage pass and tickets for the concert tomorrow night. And it just so happens the show is in my hometown, San Diego. I roll up on the 17th, and somehow I'm in the front row. Didn't see that coming. After the final chord, I head to my truck, where the guitar's been hiding under a blanket. No way I was risking it during the show. Back at the meet and greet, a gentleman taps me and says, follow me. We walk straight to the band's dressing room. I meet Brian with a paint pen in my hand. He looks at the guitar and says, what an incredible guitar. He signs, I ask for a photo, and right then, Cliff walks up. The 3 of us line up for the shot. Brian, Cliff, and me with this one-of-a-kind instrument between us. That night, walking out of the venue, I knew I was the happiest, luckiest guy in the world. With a guitar that tells the story of AC/DC, a dream build, and 2 words from Malcolm that I'll never forget. Build it. Be sure to check back next week for the final chapter to this story. And yeah, about that Harley, I built it.